Setup videos. Instructions made simple. Please enjoy your Go-Kart assembly video. Unlike traditional paper manuals that can be hard to follow, a setup video is a 3D photorealistic animation of your product's assembly. Easy-to-follow steps illuminate the setup process, allowing your customers to assemble and enjoy their product faster. Please note that this is an example video only. To make a video for your product, please be sure to visit us online or give us a call for a free quote. In this video, we will show you how to assemble your off-road go-kart. Start the assembly by checking the parts list. Verify that the following parts are included within your go-kart package. Verify that the following hardware and tools are included with your assembly. Step 1. Attaching the heavy-duty wheels. For this step, you will require the following parts. Begin Step 1 by aligning 4 Part K wheels to the main frame. Proceeding one at a time, push the wheel through the side rods and secure using a Part S lug nut. Tighten the bolt using the cross wrench. Make sure each lug nut is fully tightened. Repeat these steps for the opposite side by continuing to tighten one wheel at a time. Finally, verify that all tire rims have been fully tightened before continuing. Step 1 is now complete. Step 2. Installing the shock absorber suspension. For this step, you will require the following parts. Begin Step 2 by lining up the Part D shock absorber with 2 Part Q bolts and nuts and 4 Part T bushings at the area shown. Place the shock absorber through the center bars and place the 4 bushings on the sides between the connecting bars. Next, insert the bolts through the bars and through the shock absorber. Hand tighten the nuts. Use one wrench to tighten the nut and another wrench to hold the bolt in place. Tighten both the top and bottom hardware as shown. Step 2 is now complete. Step 3. Attaching the chain system. For this step, you will require the following parts. Begin Step 3 by locating the 2 Part I chains. The large sprocket, Part P, the small sprocket, Part O, and the nut, Part S. First, attach both sprockets to the motor section of the main assembly. Screw the sprockets into location. Next, place the chain onto both sprockets as well as to the back gear, as shown. Make sure that the outer and inner chains are firmly secured. Finally, screw 2 Part S nuts onto the threaded bars and tighten the nuts using an adjustable wrench tool. Congratulations! You have now completed your go-kart assembly. We hope you enjoyed this assembly video. Visit SetupVideos online or call us today for a free quote. Please dial 888-877-0018. Getting an assembly video for your product is easy. Just send us a copy of your current manual for an instant quote. Brought to you by SetupVideos.